I'm here today with a new Blu phone. This is the Blu F92e. Now, before you get ahead of yourself, this is actually, the E stands for kind of like an economy phone. And that might sound kind of weird because Blu phones are already kind of economy phones. But when you go from the F91, you look at the F92e, a little bit of a difference. It's not really a step up as it is, it's just a different type of beast. So what you have in here, you have quite a few things going for you. And it's nice because it outlines everything on the back. 6.5-inch screen, 128 megabyte or gigabytes of internal storage. It's got octa-core processor. It's got the Dimensity 700 processor, 7nm process, triple camera, 50 megapixel camera on the back, 13 megapixel camera on the front, expandable SD card storage, 256 gigabytes, and it has 5G on T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, and Metro by T-Mobile. So the thing is, it might even work with 4G LTE when it comes to like AT&T and Cricket. Haven't tested it out, but that's how the last Blu phones have worked. It will work with 5G on T-Mobile and its other carriers like Mint and Metro. So that's a good thing. Really though, if you buy this phone, you're going to want to use it on those three networks to take full capability of all those different things, most particularly the 5G. And it's running Android 12. So I kind of wish it had Android 13. But I understand, looking at it, MSRP $199, and that should kind of tell you right there. $199, it's always, they have these introductory sale prices when they come out. It came out like a couple of weeks ago. It's right now you can get on Amazon for $149. So $149, 5,000 milliamp battery, Android 12, Dimensity 700 processor, 5G, 50 megapixel camera. It's some decent stuff. It's a sharp looking phone. Triple camera setup on the back, 50 megapixel camera. You've got the nice Blu logo branding on the back. I like how they're doing that with their phones now. I've been working with Blu for years and years. Fantastic folks over there trying to bring you a good phone for a good price. Now, one thing I want to talk about, and here in the box, we've got all the great things. We've got the power brick that's in here. We've also got the charging cable that's in here. We've also got earphones that are in here. It has a headphone jack. You got some Blu swag, a sticker, comes with a glass screen protector, and you also get a free case in the box. So a lot of that stuff you're not getting with phones nowadays. You basically get a charging cable, if that. You're not getting a charging brick. You don't get earbuds. You don't get a screen protector. You don't get any of that stuff anymore. So just the fact that it has all that stuff inside of the box really helps go the distance, especially when you're looking at a $150 phone. You know, it depends on the price point. It depends on what you're looking for in a phone. It's not an iPhone. This is not really a gaming phone. It's not really a multitasking phone. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM. And it's really a phone designed for someone who wants to save money, who wants something that's just going to work, that they don't have to worry about investing a lot of money in, easy to pop in a SIM card and go. And it also gets 5G now. So that's a nice thing. And it's a decent little phone. One thing also to note, it's not a full HD screen. It's an HD+, so that means it's a 720p base display. It's got the little teardrop cutout for the camera up top. The camera's okay. The thing is, the phone overall is okay. It's an efficiency, economy, Blu-based phone, or Blu model. So what that tells you is, you've got everything you need in the box. It's an economy price phone to keep you from spending a lot of money. And that's really where we're at, especially in the year 2023. Economy's been not so great. Not a lot of folks are wanting to go out and spend $800, $900, $1,000. You break your phone. You've got a kid that needs a phone. You've got somebody who just wants to have a decent smartphone that does a bunch of stuff and don't want to spend a whole bunch of money, don't want to get tied up in contracts. And Blu comes to the rescue. And it's actually neat. There's actually this little LED ring around the primary camera. It'll kind of give off like emit a light whenever there's a soft glow light when you have notifications. So that's kind of neat. That's a neat little thing they added on to here. But otherwise, you've also got facial recognition, and the brightness on here is decent. You only get one speaker, not stereo speakers. So that's going to tell you quite a few things. You got a headphone jack, you get free earbuds. The stereos speakers are not there. It doesn't have wireless charging, no reverse wireless charging. It's got Bluetooth, so you can connect your earbuds and all that jazz. So it's just one of those things where Blu doesn't make really expensive phones. A lot of times they really throw like the kitchen sink, especially look at like the F91. They put a whole lot of stuff into it. One of their flagship tier level models, more performance oriented. This one is more efficiency oriented, and that's okay. That's what the E stands for, F92E. Efficiency, economy, all those important jazz words we're looking at in 2023 for savings and just overall good performance for somebody who wants a decent phone but don't want to spend a ton of money. So that's it. Just a quick little introduction, product showcase, and kind of talk about the phone at a maybe like a 3,000 foot level instead of a 5,000 foot level. Decent little phone. You can see the bezels on it are quite large. Swipe gestures, all the great things that you come to expect out of Android 12. I don't know if it's getting Android 13. I hope that it is. I'd really like to see Blu give more long-term software support and commitment on this stuff. I think that would go a long way, and I think it would give a little bit more assurance when you look at it, because a lot of phones these days getting 3 years, 4 years, 5 years of updates, basically buying phones that don't get a whole lot of software updates outside of like a security patch here and there doesn't give a lot of folks a whole lot of warm fuzzies on the inside. But again, when you contrast it looking at $700, $800, $900 phones versus basically a $150 phone that has all the things that you need in it for daily life, yeah, I think it goes a long way, and they've got a pretty good legacy. I've been covering them for several years. They make some pretty decent products, and I just wanted to share this one with y'all because it's out now. It's available. You can still get it for $149 on Amazon as of the making of this video. And I think that's a pretty fair price, especially for an unlocked 5G phone here in the US. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go into the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button and little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.